Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to smoke test Nissan Armada for EVAP leaks. Doing a knock sensor job right now, but want to just get all my content in all in one day or else I'll never get it done. So you got this hose right here, right? It's got a green cap. You might not have it, you might have it. Sometimes people forget to put them back on, but anyways, this is a 1 PSI EVAP service port. So you take the cap off. Inside, you'll find one of these guys. So you'll use one of these guys. Pretty much what you use to take the valve stems out of tires. So you come back here, and you'll have, with that out, you'll have just a hole. This other end is usually attached to your purge valve solenoid, which is this guy. It's up like that, connected to a harness, 2 hoses. This hose is the one that goes here, so it'll be like this, usually mounted on driver's side. So boom, I have it off. You will need to take it off, or not take it off, but disconnect this hose from it. I have the Autoline Pro. They're not advertising or anything. It's just what I have. Hyper smoke machine. The kit usually comes with a cap that usually goes here when it's new. I use that cap to plug up this hose. You will need to plug up this hose that goes to the intake manifold, and then after, come back here, find your EVAP canister. So you want to take your tire off, and you want to lower your spare tire. It's just way easier, or else you'll never get it done. But I'm gonna come here. That hole you see, this whole component here is the charcoal canister. What goes right here is your vent valve. I have it removed. You don't have to remove it. My vent valve was bad. Also, there is a technical service bulletin for the vent valve on these vehicles. It is a common issue for the small gasket on the vent valve to be damaged. So usually causes a small EVAP leak code. So that's something you want to look out for. I'm not replacing the canister because it's still good. I'm just changing out the seal on the vent valve. Vent valve is still good. The vent valve seal is a discontinued item. They no longer sell it, so yeah, well, anyway, so aside from all that, when you have the vent valve on there, you're gonna have a hose connected to it. That hose is this one right here. I'm replacing mine. As you can see, it's got some cracks on it. And so, boom, that hose is connected to the vent valve like this. And this end is connected to the frame of the vehicle. You see that nozzle up here? That plastic nozzle, that's where it goes. And that's where the fumes ventilate through outside. So what you're gonna do with when you have yours connected with this hose, you're just gonna remove it from the frame. This end of the hose that connects to that frame, plastic tip, you'll remove it from there, and you'll cap up the end of that hose. First, when you start your smoke test, leave it unplugged and start the smoke test. Make sure that there's actual smoke flowing. If it's flowing, then that means that your charcoal canister is not clogged up, so that means that's good. Then you end up plugging that hose again and run the smoke test again, and you check for leaks all over. If you can't find a leak, again, the vent valve seal is a good place to look. And that's pretty much how you do the smoke test on a 2006 Nissan Armada. Always make sure that your smoke machine puts out 1 psi pressure. Anything else could damage the system. So make sure, for example, this one has normal or EVAP. All right, that's pretty much it.